Hello dear students, you already know that Balmer formula, it means wave number formula or frequency formula. For example, here, so 1 by lambda is equal to R into bracket 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So this one we consider that a Balmer formula or the formula of a wave number. So wave number is number of waves per unit length. So that one is a wave number. Suppose we want to calculate a frequency. The frequency, it means nu is equal to C divided by lambda is nothing but R 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay, so this one is a frequency formula and this one is a wave number formula. Okay, n1 and n2 we consider that number of orbit. So n1, it means so this one is inner orbit, n2 is outer orbit, or n1 we consider that a ground state and n2 we consider that excited state, and each orbit having a particular energy. So this reason, so these energy levels or energy lines we consider that a series. So these series having a particular name, so that one is a Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, bracket series, another one is a P-fund series. Okay, because different energy levels are there. So these different energy levels we consider that a series. For example, here we consider that this one is a ground state and this one is a excited states. Generally, so this one is a ground state and this one is excited state, and electron present in a ground state and some amount of energy given to this electron, and the electron move towards the excited state or higher energy level. So this one we consider that E1 and this one is E2. When electron comes a higher energy level to lower energy level and it emits a h nu amount of energy. It emits h nu amount of energy. It means, so this electron, it is present in an excited state. It is a very fraction of second. It means a very small interval of a time. For example, 10 raised to minus 8 seconds. Then afterwards, so this electron emits h nu amount of energy, then comes to the ground state. It means a lower energy level or inner orbit. You already know that this concept. Okay, so here we consider that we consider that energy level. So first energy level E1 and second one we consider that E2. So this reason, so energy E is equal to E2 minus E1. E is equal to E2 minus E1. So this E we consider that h nu amount of energy. So this reason, so h nu is equal to E2 minus E1. Suppose here we consider that frequency means h and here c divided by lambda. So c is the speed of light and lambda we consider that wavelength. So same E2 minus E1. Okay, so here we want to calculate energy E is equal to H2 minus H1. It means we know that energy of second orbit and energy of first orbit, and then only we will find out this energy. So this reason here we get a number of energy levels. Number of energy levels, mainly we consider that 5 up to we consider that infinite number of energy levels are there. The first one, here we consider that the first series. So this one is a Lyman series. The first series is a Lyman series, and the second one, so this one is Balmer series. Balmer series, and the third one, so this one is a Paschen series, and next one, so bracket series, and next one P-fund. So P-fund series. Okay, so first one is a Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket, another one we consider that p fund. Okay, so here in a Lyman series we consider that n, so number of orbits, so this reason here we consider that so this one is n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 5. Suppose if we consider that infinite number of energy level, it means infinite number of a series. Okay, so here we consider that n is equal to infinity, n is equal to infinity. Suppose electron present in a Lyman series, it is present in a Lyman series, then afterwards so this electron move towards the Balmer series, it is moved towards the Balmer series. Okay, so here we want to calculate a frequency. So this reason here we consider that a formula 1 by lambda is equal to R. Suppose if you want to calculate frequency, it means R into C. Suppose we want to calculate wave number, it means 1 by lambda is equal to R into bracket 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay, in a Lyman series, so n1 value always we consider that 1 and n2 value here we consider that 2, 3, 4, 5 up to we consider that infinity. Yes, n1 is equal to 1 and n2 we consider that up to 1, 2, 3 up to so on we consider that infinity. So this reason, so this series due to the transition of electron from higher orbit to first orbit, higher orbit to first orbit. It means suppose electron present at infinite series, it means infinite series, so this electron so come to the Balmer series. Suppose it is present in P fund, then P fund to Lyman series, then bracket to Lyman series, then Paschen to Lyman series, then Balmer to Lyman series. Suppose here we consider that transition of electron from Balmer to Lyman, it means n1 value is 1 and n2 value we consider that 2. Suppose electron transition from Paschen to Lyman series, it means n1 value we consider that 1 and n2 value is 3. Paschen to Lyman. Suppose it's come from bracket to Lyman. So bracket to Lyman means n1 value 1 and n2 value we consider that 4 because so bracket we consider that fourth series. Suppose P fund to Lyman, n1 value 1, n2 value we consider that 5. So this reason in generally we consider that so this one is a Balmer formula. So this reason so transition of electron from higher energy level to lower energy level. So lower energy level here we consider that a Lyman series. And next one, it means transition of electron from higher series to lower series, it means a Lyman series. So this reason formula we consider that 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So n1 always we consider that a 1, n1 always 1 but n2 value changes. Suppose it is a transition from Balmer to Lyman means n2 value 2. Suppose Paschen to Lyman means n2 value 3. And bracket to Lyman means n2 value 4 and P fund to Lyman means so n2 value we consider that 5. Suppose infinity. Suppose it's come from infinity, so this reason n2 value we consider that 2. And the next one, so here, so this electron, so this one we consider that a Lyman series. Okay, so this one we consider that a Lyman series. Suppose electron transition, so transition from Paschen to Balmer. Paschen to Balmer. Okay, so this reason here we consider that Balmer series. So Balmer series 1 by lambda is equal to R. So general formula 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Okay, suppose electron transition from Paschen to Balmer. It means higher orbit we consider that Paschen bracket P found up to infinity, but lower orbit here we consider that Balmer series. Why? Because initially electron present in a Balmer series is some amount of energy given to this electron and it is excited, then it is moved towards the Paschen bracket or P found series. Afterwards, so this electron loses its energy, then comes to the Paschen to Balmer, bracket to Balmer, P found to Balmer, up to infinite to Balmer. So this reason initially the electron transition from Paschen to Balmer, or we consider that a bracket to Balmer, or P found to Balmer, or infinite to Balmer. So this reason in Balmer series, so here N1 value always we consider that 2. N1 value always we consider that 2, but N2 value changes. So N2 is equal to 3, 4, 5, up to we consider that infinity. Is electron transition from a Paschen to Balmer, bracket to Balmer, P found to Balmer, or infinite to Balmer. Another one we consider that Paschen series. So in Paschen series, electron transition from bracket to Paschen, P found to Paschen, or infinite to Paschen. So this reason in Paschen series 1 by lambda is equal to R into bracket 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Okay, so N1 always we consider that the Paschen series N1 always 3, N2 value 4, 5, 6, up to we consider that infinite number. Another one is bracket series. In bracket series, same 1 by lambda is equal to R, 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. So this reason N1 value, so in bracket series, N1 value always 4, but N2 value changes. N2 is equal to 5, 6, up to we consider that infinite number. And the last one here we consider that P fund. In P fund series, same 1 by lambda is equal to R, 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Okay, so this reason N1 value always we consider that P fund. So N1 value is 5 and N2 value we consider that 6, 7, 8, up to we consider that infinity. Yes, so this reason in P found, it means electron present in P found and transition from P found to bracket or infinite to bracket, and here infinite to P fund. Okay, so these are we consider that first one is Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen, bracket, P found, up to we consider that infinite number of a series. Okay, so here we want to calculate energy of this series. Energies, you already know that every orbit having one particular energy. It means, so here we want to calculate energy of a first orbit, second orbit, third, fourth, fifth. It means the first series, second series, third, fourth and the fifth series. Okay, so here okay, so here we want to calculate energy of this series. So first one, so you already know that energy formula. It means energy of nth orbit. So energy of nth orbit is equal to minus m e raised to 4 z square divided by 8 epsilon naught square, n square and h square. So this one is the energy formula. M, that means minus m e raised to 4 z square 8 epsilon naught square n square and h square. So this one is the energy formula. Okay, by using this formula, so here we want to calculate energy of each orbit. So energy of each orbit, the first one here we consider that m is mass of electron and E means a charge on electron, it means magnitude of a charge on electron, and Z we consider that a number of it means here we consider that atomic number, always here we consider that a hydrogen atom, and here we consider that epsilon naught permittivity of a free space, n means the number of orbit, h means a Planck constant. Okay, so this reason here the formula we consider that nth orbit, energy of nth orbit is equal to minus m mass of electron and charge on electron, and here we consider that so Z, so hydrogen element means Z value we consider that 1, it means Z square divided by 8 epsilon naught square h square into 1 by n square. I will write this equation like that. So this reason, after adding mass of electron and charge on electron and hydrogen, so that's one is 1, and here we consider that 8 epsilon, it means epsilon naught value 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 and a Planck constant value. If I add these values, so finally we get a minus 13.6. So minus 13.6 into 1 by n square. So 1 by n square means so here Z is a variable. Suppose if we consider that helium, so that's value is 2, and hydrogen, so that's value is 1. So this reason, so generally equation we consider that nth orbit, energy of nth orbit minus 13.6 Z square divided by n square. Z square divided by n square. Suppose if you consider that hydrogen, it means so nth energy of nth orbit is equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square. Okay, so here we want to calculate energy of first series. So energy of first series is nothing but a Lyman series. So that's reason, so here we consider that so energy of first series, it means E, so first series, n is equal to 1, it means the first series is equal to minus 13.6 divided by 1 square. Why? Because n value is 1. So this reason, so first series energy we consider that minus 13.6 minus 13.6. And next one we consider that a second energy level E2 is equal to minus 13.6 divided by, so here n value we consider that 2. Why? Because so here we consider that we want to calculate energy of a Balmer series. So this reason, so this one we consider that 2 square. Okay, so 2 square means 4. It means E2 is equal to, so E2 is equal to minus 13.6 divided by 4. So this reason, so minus 3.4 electron volt, and this one is also electron volt. Okay, so second energy level, so this energy we consider that minus 3.4 electron volt. Okay, suppose if you want to calculate Paschen series, it means so here n value we consider that 3, n value 3 means so 9 square. Suppose here we consider that we want to calculate energy of a bracket series. So n value we consider that 4. It means n value 4 means minus 13.6 divided by 16. And here suppose we want to calculate energy of a p phone. It means n value is 5. It means 5 means minus 13.6 divided by 25. So this reason here we consider that energy of a Paschen series, so that's one is a minus 1.5, and energy of a bracket series, so that's one is a minus 0.85, minus 1.5 minus 1.5 minus 0.85, and this one we consider that a minus 5 point something. Okay, so these are we consider that energies of each series. Okay, next one, we want to calculate energy level. It means suppose electron it is present in a Lyman series. So how much energy required to jump this electron from Lyman to Balmer series? Lyman to Balmer series. It means otherwise we consider that energy level. So energy level between Balmer to Lyman or Lyman to Balmer. So you already know that energy E is equal to E2 minus E1. So E2 is a higher energy level and higher energy, and E1 is a lower energy. Okay, we already know that minus 13.6 electron volt is a Lyman series energy, and minus 3.4 electron volt is a Balmer, and minus 1.5 is a Paschen, and minus 0.85 is a bracket, and minus 0.5 something. So that's one is a pFon, and this energy we consider that infinite number. Energy we consider that 0. Okay, so here we want to calculate energy level. So energy level, we already know that the formula E is equal to E2 minus E1. E is equal to E2 minus E1. Okay, so we want to calculate energy level between Lyman to Balmer series. So Lyman to Balmer series, it means E is equal to E2 value minus 3.4 minus 13.6. So here electron volt, and this one is also we consider that electron volt. Okay, so E is equal to E2 minus E1. So E2 is a minus 3.4 electron volt, and E1 we consider that minus 13.6 electron volt. So this reason, so here energy level we consider that 10.2 electron volt, 10.2 electron volt. So this one we consider that energy level. The same way, so here we want to calculate a second energy level. So this one is the first. And a second energy level, same E2 minus E1. So E2 minus E1 means, so E2 we consider that a Paschen series, and E1 is a Balmer series. So this reason, so minus, so here E2 value minus 1.5 electron volt minus into minus 3.4 electron volt. So this reason, so here we get 1.89 electron volt. So this one is the second energy level, and the third energy level. So third energy level, same here minus 0.85 E2 value minus into minus 1.5 electron volt. So this reason the energy value we consider that here 0.66 electron volt, 0.66 electron volt. Okay, so this reason the first energy level is 10.2 electron volt, and second one is 1.8 electron volt, and the third one we consider that 0.66 electron volt. Okay, so these are we consider that energy level, and these are we consider that energy of orbit. And here the first series Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket, and pFon. And another one, suppose here we consider that H alpha, H beta, and H gamma. So H alpha, H beta, and H gamma. It means first line of Balmer series we consider that H alpha. First line of Balmer series. So this one is Balmer series, and this one is the first line of Balmer series. First line of Balmer series we consider that H alpha, and the second line of Balmer series. So this one we consider that H beta. And the third line of Balmer series, so first, second, and third. So third line of Balmer series, here we consider that H gamma. So this reason, so here N1 value we consider that Balmer series is always 2, but N2 value, so N2 value we consider that 3. Here we want to calculate H alpha value. And second line of Balmer series, we consider that H beta. So this reason N1 value is 2, and N2 value here we consider that 4. And the third line of Balmer series is H gamma. It means N1 is equal to 2 and N2 here we consider that 5. Yes, so H alpha, H beta and H gamma. It means the first line of Lyman series is H alpha, first line of Balmer series is H alpha and second line of Balmer series is H beta and third line of Balmer series. So that's one is H gamma.